Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to discuss all the reasons why you need to be using a growth factor product in your anti-aging skincare routine. I've been using a growth factor product in my skincare routine now for many years, and I can tell you from myself personally, as well as from Dr. Silver's patients that I've seen come into the office after using these for months at a time, there is just such a difference in your skin after you've been using a growth factor product for a while. They make so much difference and the results in your skin are insane. So I'm going to go over with you guys the reasons you really want to be using a growth factor product in your anti-aging skincare routine if you are serious about anti-aging and you want your skin to look its absolute best at any age. And jump into it. Okay, so reason number one, growth factors boost younger, healthy skin cells. So when applied topically to your skin, growth factors are the number one active ingredient for skin cell rejuvenation. So what a growth factor is and what it does is it actually will get deep into your skin and it actually communicates within your skin cells to produce more collagen and elastin. Both of those are a must to keep your skin looking firmer, looking younger, looking healthy. Growth factors are a total skin rejuvenation. Okay, so reason number two, growth factor products are at the cutting edge of anti-aging science. Everywhere you look today, all doctors are talking about growth factor products, and that is for a reason. Growth factor ingredients are truly, truly unique because they are the only ingredient that can get down to a cellular level to communicate and really produce collagen and really produce elastin. So another reason that growth factor products are an absolute must in your anti-aging routine is because they can address multiple anti-aging concerns at once. So anti-aging skincare products that have the growth factors in them, specifically growth factor serums, are like the multitaskers of anti-aging skincare. They can address a multitude of concerns at once, such as lack of firmness, lack of elasticity. They will really firm up the skin. They also will help with lines and wrinkles. They also help with hyperpigmentation on the skin, and they just overall rejuvenate your skin. So basically it's like an all-in-one. If you really are serious about anti-aging, we obviously want to keep our skin firm. We obviously want to control lines and wrinkles. This does it all. So as I told you guys in previous videos, growth factors are found naturally occurring in our body, and as we get older, our bodies start to produce less and less. So when we were a kid, we are filled with growth factors going through our body. That is why your skin is so plump, it's so firm, so hydrated. That is all due to growth factors. And as the aging process occurs, we start producing less and less, which is why we need to, use products that are going to really get down into that cellular level and take the place of the ones that we are not producing anymore. We need to fulfill what we are not producing naturally in our bodies. Growth factors can also delay the need for cosmetic procedures because they are one of the absolute only ingredients to really firm the skin and really help with skin laxity. So if you're not quite ready for that cosmetic procedure as we get older here, then the growth factor products are absolutely your best bet because again, they're going to totally restore that youthful complexion. So another reason why you want to be using a growth factor product in your routine right now is because that they really pair well with lots of other skincare ingredients. And you guys know me, I am very into my skincare. I love to use different types of products for different type of reasons, and growth factors get along with all of them. They get along with vitamin C, they get along with hydroquinone, they get along with retinols and retin-A's, also hyaluronic acid, the list goes on. You can use a growth factor product with all your other products. And the last reason is because growth factor products are made for all skin types. Anywhere from super, super oily to post-procedure, super sensitive skin, you can use growth factor products. So it's really a wonderful ingredient for all of us to use. And again, because it's so good for our skin and so necessary for anti-aging, we can all benefit.